Introducing the 2020 Nissan Titan. It's been updated with new styling, features, and technology that makes every day more seamless. There's a convenient holder for 2 smartphones or even a tablet, so you can get connected with ease to the bright new available 9-inch touchscreen display that's 30% larger. You'll have seamless Apple CarPlay compatibility standard.
Find local mountain bike trails.
Here's what I found.
So you can put your favorite apps to work. All you need is your voice.
Text Mike.
What do you want to say?
Stopping for coffee. Do you want anything?
And when it's time to let the rays in, everyone will love the new dual-panel Moonroof. With NissanConnect Concierge services, you can connect anytime to a live person who can help with travel recommendations, restaurant reservations, personal shopping, and more. The 2020 Nissan Titan, with the most standard power, tech, and safety features in its class. Titan is rigorously backed by America's best truck warranty. This is tech for doing. This is Nissan Intelligent Mobility.